I'm John Dagklis. I'm representing the World UAV Federation. We're really happy to join again the SADEX for the second year here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. We're really honored to get the invitation from the CEO of SADEX, Mr. Fahad Al-Qahtani, who has done an amazing job these 2 years. We already see the progress made since the last year. This exhibition is much bigger and much more effective. We can see around the booths many different products and solutions and good companies and many experts that are sharing their expertise around. As an organization, the World UAV Federation will always be here to support you in any possible way, and with our own resources, our own network in 45 countries, and we will always support the events like this and the initiatives of Saudi Arabia according to 2030 vision of the kingdom. Thank you so much for hosting us once again, and wish you all the best success for this exhibition, and the next one that will come next year. Thank you so much.